Welcome back, students. Today, a very important topic, I think, is many times repeated in the examination: palindrome number and palindrome word. तो इसका फुल जावा प्रोग्राम आज तुम लोग को हम दिखाने हैं। ठीक है, तो इसमें सबसे पहला जो चीज है पैलिंड्रोम वर्ड, उसके बारे में देखते हैं। तो पैलिंड्रोम वर्ड क्या होता है? तो एक नंबर है, मान के चलो 1 to 1, तो इसको रिवर्स करना है। तो रिवर्स करेंगे तो क्या मिलेगा हमको? 1 to 1। तो जैसे ही रिवर्स किए ना, अगर ये दोनों इक्वल हो गया तो ये पैलिंड्रोम नंबर हो गया। और पैलिंड्रोम वर्ड क्या होता है? तो मान के चलो एक वर्ड है राडार, है ना? तो ये जो वर्ड है इसको तुम रिवर्स करो तो कैसे लिखेगा? इधर से लिखना स्टार्ट करेगा, आर से। आर, फिर ए लिखेगा, फिर डी लिखेगा, फिर ए लिखेगा, और फिर आर लिखेगा। देखो अपोजिट हो गया। मॉम बोलो, मॉम, MOM। इसको तुम रिवर्स करो, क्या मिलेगा? वही मिलेगा। तो ये होता है पैलिंड्रोम वर्ड। तो सबसे पहले हम लोग को देखना है रिवर्स। ठीक है, तो नंबर और स्ट्रिंग दोनों का तरीका हम बताने वाले हैं तुमको। ठीक है, और अगर तुम स्ट्रिंग, इस नंबर को स्ट्रिंग के हेल्प से भी करना चाह रहा है, दैट ऑल्सो पॉसिबल। ठीक, तो हम चलो ब्लूजे में करने वाले हैं, और इसी में करके तुमको दिखाते हैं कैसे काम करना है। ठीक है, सो लेट्स स्टार्ट ब्लूजे। तो ब्लूजे में हम लोग सबसे पहले इनपुट तक तो रहेगा ही रहेगा, यहाँ से हटाना है ना। इनपुट नंबर, तो जैसे इनपुट लिए हम, चलो इनपुट लो फटाक से। इनपुट अ नंबर, सो int n equals to se dot next in. Now to get the digit, तो रिवर्स करने के लिए डिजिट तो चाहिए। टू गेट द डिजिट d, and one more variable, so that will compare the reverse of the number. So reverse, and reverse we have to compare with the number, so reverse equals to 0। और जब n का वैल्यू 0 हो जाएगा, इसलिए टेम्पररी वेरिएबल एक तो चाहिए। टेम्पररी में हम अभी फ्रेश वैल्यू ऑफ n वी आर गोइंग टू स्टोर। वी नो दैट हाउ टू गेट द डिजिट, टू गेट द डिजिट while n not equals to 0, this condition we have to put, and then to get the digit, the simple line d equals to n modulus 10। To remove the digit, n equals to n/10। ये दो लाइन हमेशा याद रखना है। टू गेट द डिजिट, टू रिमूव द डिजिट। अब हमको रिवर्स निकालना है, तो रिवर्स इक्वल्स टू रिवर्स इंटू 10 प्लस डी कर देना है। बस इतना ही याद रखना है तुमको। ठीक है, अब यहाँ पे बाहर आओ कंडीशन, इफ रिवर्स इक्वल्स टू टी, सिस्टम डॉट आउट डॉट प्रिंट एलन, यहाँ लिख देना है पैलिंड्रोम, और एल्स में लिख देना है नॉट पैलिंड्रोम। Not palindrome. Clear? Now, see once the output, then after the compilation and execution, I will show you. Okay, the dry run I am going to show you. Okay, so first see the output. Are you getting the output? Enter a binary. Okay, so binary number I have written. You can change it. Enter a number, right? Enter a number. So suppose you have enter 1 to 1. So it is palindrome. How it's giving you palindrome, right? That you can understand from this logic, right? So suppose you have entered 1, 2 and 3. Just one example, 1 to 3 you have entered. So what is the digit? If you will divide 1 to 3, then 120 will be, so just try run I am going to make, okay, so that it will be clear to you. This only you have to understand, okay. So 1 to 3, so what is the digit you will get? You will get the digit 3. And in reverse, reverse into 10. So reverse is 0 in beginning, so 0 into 10, 0 plus 3. So what you got the reverse? Reverse I am writing here reverse, and here digit, and here n, right? So 3 columns I made here, right? 3 we got. So here 3. Now n equals to n/10. So if you will divide this by 10, what you will get? 12.3. 0.3 will remove. What is left? 12. 12 left, right? So now 12, again it will come back to the condition 12 not equals to 0. So what the digit? 12 modulus 10, you will get 2. So next digit is 2. So now reverse is 3. So 3 into 10, 30 plus 2, 32. right? Now 12 by 10. 12 by 10 is what? 1. So still the n is not equals to 0. So 1 is not equals to 0. Condition true. 1. Now reverse is what? 32. See, reverse is 32. So 32 into 10. 320 plus 1. 321. Now this 1 will be divided by 10, because from this logic you are going to divide this by 10. So 0 0.1 means point will remove, what is left? 0. So 0 not equals to 0. Yes, so see, 1 to 1 you have entered. What is the reverse of this? 3 to 1. Clear? So 3 to 1 is equals to t. T is the 1 to 3 only. No, so it's not palindrome. It's not palindrome, right? Why? Because both are not equal. See here, 1 to 3 or 3 to 1. So like this you can do for the palindrome number. This one you remember, right? Now we are going to see the palindrome string. So for palindrome string, students, we need to accept a string, right? So enter a string, and after to input string, we can take a st here, string st. I'm going to remove everything, right? This one only I will keep. String st, string st equals to sc dot next, because one word only we have to consider. So sc dot next, and we can convert this into two lowercase, because if any letter will be in the capital letter, so it will not match and it will print it's not a palindrome. So better we have converted into lowercase, right? Two lowercase, l will be capital, l will be capital. Now we know that how many times the loop will execute? Loop will execute p time. Int p equals to st dot length. P is nothing but it's the length of the string that we have accepted. Now we are going to run the loop, because string the index start from 0. So loop will start from 0. I less than 10. 10y p I plus plus. Now to get the character from the string, we have uh, caret function. So st dot caret I. Now this character we are going to store in the reverse. So one variable we need here, reverse also, right? Because reverse we have to store somewhere now. So reverse equals to, in beginning nothing is there, right? So now reverse equals to, we are going to reverse it, ch plus reverse. See here, ch before only we have added, so that we will get the reverse. Okay, so now here we are going to compare these two variable. Reverse dot equals what? St. If both are equal, then it is palindrome word, otherwise not a palindrome word. First you see the dry run output, then dry run I will show you. Interesting. I'm going to enter mom, say palindrome. One more time, I'm going to enter ABC, not palindrome, right? So now see the output. See the output of this first. Dry run. Okay. I'm going to explain you this. See, suppose you have entered here the value of this. You have entered ABC, A, B, and C. So what we are going to do? The loop is going to execute 3 times, because length of this ABC is what? 3. So 0 to 2, 0, 1, 2, because less than 3, 0, 1, 2. So 0, 1, and 2. 3 times the loop will execute. So char at 0. First time I is 0. So char at 0 is what? A. A we have stored in reverse. How? Like this A. And reverse is nothing, so nothing will get a store on that, right? So reverse is not only now, so nothing will get a store. Now the value of I will be 1. So 1 is what? 1 is B. Caret 1. Caret 1 is what? B. So reverse, the value of reverse is what? A. And B we are going to add before A, because reverse is A. So CH is B. So B before A. That's what CH plus reverse. Now C we are going to store, because I will increase to 2. So C also before BA. So see, the opposite of ABC, the reverse of ABC is CBA. So with the simple logic, we can find the palindrome. I hope it is clear to you. Right.